Hi everyone, I'm Arsenio Ferraz, one of the co-founders of Torpedo. Today I'm excited to share some valuable tips on how to copy a page from one site to another in SharePoint. This is a feature that isn't built in, but it's something many users and the SharePoint community frequently request. In this video, we will cover three different ways to do it using PowerAutomate, PowerShell and a Torpedo extension. The last method is the easiest and offers the most features. So in this first scenario, we have two websites. One is called Copy Pages Origin and the other one is Copy Pages Destination. And we are going to create a PowerAutomate that enables the user to copy one page to another, from one site to another site. So let's see how we can do this. Let's go to PowerAutomate. On the left side, press Create, select Instant Cloud Flow, give it a name, in this case, Copy Pages. Scroll down a bit until you see for a selected file and create. Let's configure this by clicking on for a selected file. I'm going to use this URL. So let's go back to PowerAutomate. The site address, we are going to select enter custom value, paste here, and then we need to select the site pages. PowerAutomate will try to load all the library names available in this site, but as you can see, you can only see the documents. So what is the site pages? Since the site pages is a different type of library, so let me go to the Copy Pages Origin, site contents, and you'll see that site pages is a different type. It's called page library. But basically it's just a document library with a different type. But in order to get the information from site pages, we need to get the GUID. So press in the three dots, go to the settings. In the URL, copy the GUID, go back to the PowerAutomate, and then enter custom value and paste here the GUID. So now we need to add an input, select text. Let's change this to destination. And here we can change this, please. Enter the destination site URL. Okay, so the first step is done. The second step is to add another action, which is the get file properties. Okay, select. So in this case, let's go back and copy again the site URL, which is going to be the site address, and enter custom value and paste the URL you copied. The library name, again, you don't see it, so let's enter a custom value. And in this case, let's copy again the GUID, copy, enter here the library name. The ID is going to be the ID that we select from the first step. So let's press the FX, dynamic content, and then try to find for identifier. And you can see here it's ID. So select this, add, and let's close it. Okay, second step is done. And now we need to add a third action that will copy the page that we get from the get file properties to the new website. So try to find copy file action. select copy file action, and let's copy again the copy page's origin URL, go back, enter custom value and paste. File to copy. Again, you need to go to the FX, dynamic content, and you can search for identifier. And you get here from the get file properties, select and add. The destination site address, you can go to the enter custom value, select FX and this. And now we are going to select the text input that we have in the first action. So I think it's destination. Let's try to find it. Okay. Select and add it to the destination site address. In the destination folder, you can just type it site pages / site pages. And if another file is already there, usually I select copy with a new name. And that's pretty much it. So let's save it. Okay, our PowerAutomate is saved and now we can test it. Let's go to the document library, the site pages. I'm going to select the page that I want to copy and go to the automate, and you see now that is available the copy pages PowerAutomate that we just created. So you can press here. On the right side is going to open the run flow. So let's press continue. The destination URL is going to be this one. So let's copy from the browser URL, go back and paste in the destination area. Let's press run flow. So it started. We can go back to the PowerAutomate and see if it has run successfully. Okay, so the flow took 8 seconds to run. So let's press here. And we have the green tick on every action. If we go to the site pages destination, we can refresh the page. And now we have the monthly summary that we created. And that's it. And for the second option, which we are going to use PowerShell to copy page from one site to another, it's quite simple. I have the script here. Okay, basically, you need to register your application in Entra ID in order to get the UID for the client ID, where you can access or you can authenticate to your tenant. So basically, in this case, I'm going to show you the script, and here we have the parameter for the source site URL. We have the destination and the page name, and then the script will connect to the source, get a copy of the page, and then move it or copy the page to the destination site. So let's open a PowerShell. I opened the PowerShell with administrator mode, and I have here already the script that I want to run. So I'm basically just going to copy because I already created the client ID, so I don't need to create it again. So I'm going to paste here the script and press enter. So now the script is running and it's provisioning on the other side. So I copied the process page, which is this one. If I go to the destination site and I refresh this one, as you can see, the page was created a few seconds ago. I can press here and I have the same page as we can see here in the origin site. And that's it. It's simple. This is a simple script. You can even copy multiple pages. You just need to update the script to copy multiple pages to the destination site. But in this example, it was just one page. It seems pretty much easy. So, yep. For the last option, we are going to use Torpedo's extension to copy page from one site to another. This one is extremely easy, and you just need to go to site contents, site pages, and then select the page that you want to copy. You'll notice that there is a new button here, copy or move to site. Select your site, in this case, destination. I'm going to filter. Select the site. I can even include version history. If the page already exists in destination, I can keep both or replace it. In this case, I think I don't have it, so let's copy to the other side. Okay, item successfully copied. Click OK. Let's go to destination, site contents, site pages, and it is here, topic. Copied a few seconds ago. Okay, so if you want to know more about our extension, you can come to our website where you can find more detailed information, some screenshots, and if you scroll down, you'll find our product presentation and technical documentation. For plans and pricing, please click on Get It Now, and you'll be redirected to Microsoft App Stores, where you'll find the plans and pricing for this extension. For other products, you can go to our store and you can browse for other web parts and extensions. Or if you have something specific, you can always contact us and we can have a chat and create something specific for you. So thank you for watching and see you next time.